One cold winter night, in a cozy burrow deep in the forest, lived a friendly wombat named Wally. Wally was known for his fuzzy fur and his love for cuddly toys. One night, Wally felt a little sad. He missed the warm sun and the green leaves of summer. He wished he could have a bit of summer fun, even in the middle of winter. As Wally snuggled into his warm bed, he made a wish. "I wish for a little bit of summer fun, right here in my burrow," he thought. The next morning, Wally woke up to a surprise. His burrow was filled with colorful balloons and sunshine. He was so happy. He danced and played, enjoying his winter wonderland. His friends came to visit, all dressed in their summer clothes. They played games and shared stories, laughing and having a great time. Wally realized that even in winter, he could have fun. He learned that sometimes, all you need is a little bit of imagination and a positive attitude. That night, Wally went to bed happy, knowing that winter could be just as fun as summer, as long as he made it that way. And every winter after, Wally's burrow was filled with joy and laughter, a reminder that no matter the season, there's always a reason to smile. The end.